Hello everyone, I'm Erik de Groot, COO of Xircus. And today I'm excited to share something truly revolutionary with you. In our previous video, we introduced you to the Xircus ecosystem, a comprehensive infrastructure designed to empower developers, creators, and everyday users in the Web3 space. Today, we're taking it a step further by showcasing our first fully realized product built on Xircus, Parachute. A Parachute represents everything we envisioned when creating Xircus, an application that brings immediate value to users while contributing to the growth of the entire ecosystem. And before we dive into the specifics of Parachute, I want to briefly remind you what makes Xircus unique and why the products built on our platform stand out in a competitive Web3 landscape. At its core, Xircus was built as a comprehensive infrastructure to democratize building on Telegram and Ton blockchain. We recognize that while Telegram has nearly 1 billion users and Ton offers incredible technical capabilities, there was a significant barrier to entry for most people wanting to build in this space. And that's why we created our no-code builder, which allows anyone with a great idea to fully functional applications without writing a single line of code. For those with some programming knowledge, our low-code SDKs provide even more flexibility and customization options. And this approach has already attracted over 40,000 builders to our platform in just 6 months, a testament to the demand for accessible development tools on Telegram. But Xircus isn't just about making development easier. What truly sets us apart is our integral ecosystem design. Every application built on Xircus creates positive ripple effects throughout the entire ecosystem. This means that developers, designers, ambassadors, token holders, DAO members, and data providers all benefit from each other's success through direct links to the transactions and actions performed within the ecosystem. And when a user makes a transaction in a Xircus-built application like Parachute, value flows not just to the application's creators, but to everyone who contributed to making the ecosystem thrive. This could be through ambassador programs, providing liquidity, creating designs, or contributing data. Everyone has a stake in the success of each project. Now, let's talk about Parachute, our flagship project and a perfect example of what we can build on Xircus platform. Parachute stands as a revolutionary Ton launchpad that addresses multiple critical needs in the Web3 space, particularly within the Ton ecosystem. As detailed in our recent Medium article, Parachute uniquely positions itself in the Ton ecosystem with several groundbreaking features. First and foremost, it serves as an airdrop aggregator, a central hub where users can discover and participate in token distributions across the Ton blockchain. To understand why this matters, let's look at some market data. Airdrops have become one of the most effective community building tools in the Web3 space. In 2023 alone, over 2 billion worth of tokens were distributed through airdrops, with some individual projects like Arbitrum distributing over 1 billion to early users. These airdrops don't just distribute tokens, they create committed communities. And studies show that users who receive airdrops are 3 to 5 times more likely to remain active participants in a project's ecosystem compared to those who simply purchase tokens. By aggregating these opportunities, Parachute makes it easier for users to discover and participate in these community building activities while giving projects access to an engaged user base. But Parachute goes beyond just airdrops. It also is a comprehensive investment launchpad. Projects can easily create IDOs, pre-sales, or private sales with just a few clicks. Our platform automatically generates the necessary smart contracts with customizable parameters like cliffs, fasting periods, and a personalized token distribution mechanism. This streamlined approach to fundraising benefits both projects and investors. Projects can secure funding without navigating complex technical requirements, while investors gained access to vetted investment opportunities with transparent terms. Parachute's unique positioning in the market comes from several innovative features developed using Xircus technology. First, our SBT, Soulbound Token Mintr, provides a revolutionary way to verify users and distribute benefits. Unlike traditional NFTs, Soulbound tokens cannot be transferred, making them perfect for identity verification and loyalty programs. Projects on Parachute can issue SBTs to their most committed community members, providing exclusive benefits while ensuring these benefits can't be bought or sold on secondary markets. The multi-level referral technology we've built for Parachute takes community growth to a new level. Users don't just get rewarded for joining a project. They're incentivized to bring others into the ecosystem through a sophisticated referral system that tracks contributions across multiple levels. This creates exponential growth potential for projects launching on Parachute. We've also developed an engagement game for XP earnings, allowing users to interact with communities while earning experience points. These points can translate to real benefits within the ecosystem, keeping users engaged and active daily rather than just during token sales or announcements. Our Crest app enables projects to create task-based rewards, where users complete specific actions to earn XP and other benefits. This gamification approach has been proven to increase user retention by up to 40% in Web3 projects, creating more sustainable communities. Additionally, Parachute offers a community-driven venture model, democratizing investment opportunities that were traditionally reserved for venture capital firms. And this inclusivity is crucial for building genuine communities rather than speculative investor pools. And it's also possible to use whitelisting methods to give specific people access to specific investor pools. But that's another story. So let's talk about the market potential. To understand the potential impact of Parachute, let's look at some market data. The IDO pre-sale market in Web3 raised over $7 billion in 2023, despite challenging market conditions. On the Ton blockchain specifically, Launchpads have facilitated over $500 million in fundraising just in the past year, with an average return for early investors exceeding 300% for successful projects. What makes Parachute particularly exciting is how it leverages Xircus' growing developer ecosystem. With over 40,000 builders already on our platform, Parachute benefits from a constant stream of updates and advancements that keep it ahead of competitors. This developer community ensures Parachute can quickly adapt to market trends and user needs. The scalability of our ecosystem means Parachute can handle millions of users without performance issues, a critical advantage when managing high-traffic events like popular airdrops or token sales. And many competing platforms struggle with precise these scenarios, leading to poor user experiences during peak demand. And one critical aspect of Web3 project that often goes overlooked is genuine community building. Popular platforms like Zili and Galaxy have unfortunately contributed to a problem in the industry. They often attract airdrop hunters rather than community members. And these users complete tasks solely to qualify for token distributions and typically sell immediately, creating market pressure rather than sustainable communities. Parachute takes a complete different approach. By combining multiple alignment mechanisms, including airdrops, on-chain tasks that require real engagement and investment opportunities that create actual stakeholders, we create long-term commitment. And this multifaceted approach ensures that community members remain aligned with projects beyond the initial hype cycle. The Parachute Aeronauts Ambassador Program further reinforces this approach by identifying and rewarding the most active community members. And these ambassadors drive grassroots growth and ensure projects remain connected to their user base in authentic ways. The modular infrastructure of Xircus allows Parachute to evolve alongside the needs of the founders, users, and community members. As new requirements emerge, our platform can quickly adapt, ensuring all stakeholders remain aligned despite changing market conditions. Looking ahead, we're already working on expanding Parachute's capabilities with features like an NFT Mintr that will enable projects to offer exclusive digital collectibles, and this will provide additional engagement mechanisms and revenue streams for our projects in the ecosystem. Parachute exemplifies what we envisioned with creating Xircus, a platform that leverages your infrastructure to create value for other participants in the ecosystem by making it easier to build engaged communities, raise funds transparently, and distribute benefits fairly. Parachute addresses critical needs in the Web3 space. As we continue to onboard more builders to the Xircus platform, we'll see even more innovative applications that build upon these foundations. Each new project contributes to the strength of our ecosystem, creating a virtuous cycle of growth and innovation. And I invite you all to explore Parachute for yourself and experience firsthand the power of the applications built on Xircus. Whether you're a project founder looking to build a community, an investor seeking quality opportunities, or simply someone interested in participating in the Web3 revolution, Parachutes offers something valuable for you. Thank you for your time today, and stay tuned for more updates as we continue to expand Xircus ecosystem with groundbreaking products that refine what's possible in the Web3 space. Next up, Tangent, the AI agents infrastructure. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.